What's up everybody, it's Audrey and welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing a brand new Apple Watch Series 5. Now I know I'm a little late with the Series 5 as it did come out I think in September of 2019 and it is right now like June of 2020. But I originally wasn't going to get the Series 5 and the reason for that was because I just recently got a Series 3 in September 2018. That was my first Apple purchase with my own money and I was super happy to have been able to save for the Series 3 and buy it with my own money. However, unfortunately, the other day my friends and I went on a hike and there was a waterfall and long story short, I kind of just lost my watch along with my shirt that day and it was a pretty sad moment, but thanks to my boyfriend, he was able to get me a Series 5 the very next day. I'm very grateful for that. My love, if you're watching this, I love you so much and you're so freaking great. Now, I did mention that I did have a Series 3 Apple Watch. It was the GPS version and it was the rose gold and the 42mm watch. I did decide to go for the bigger size because I simply thought the 38 was too small, so I went with the 42. As for this watch, I did end up getting the 40mm watch, which is the smaller version of the Series 5. And I chose to get it because I felt as if the 44 would be way too big on my smaller wrist, and because the Series 5 is designed a little bit different than the Series 3 was. The Series 5 is a little bit more rounded and has smaller bezels on the sides as opposed to the Series 3 where it was more rectangular and had bigger bezels. I didn't think that 2mm was going to make a huge difference, especially since the Series 5 is designed a little bit different, and I was right. I feel as if almost the Series 5 40mm is a little bit bigger than my 42. That's about it for the intro, so let's get to it. Okay, so this is the watch, and basically I'm just going to pull this here. 1, 2, 3. So satisfying. We stand. There we go, and it just says watch, obviously. And then you're gonna flip it over. You're gonna open these. So cute. Wow, look at that! Look at how cute this is! Look at how cute this packaging is. I love it. It's so cute. I love that it has this inside, so then it doesn't look like it's like that from the outside. Cool. So we have the watch here and the band right under it. Very cute. So in here we have the watch and in here we have the sport band. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the sport band out first. Take that off and pull this out. There, obviously it says watch. It is the pink sand sport band. That was the same one that I had before. I just really like the way it looks. And there we go. Very cute. I'll take this part out first. Let's see how you take this out. So the interesting thing with this is that the Series 3 came with a rose gold little pin here. This one actually comes with a silver and the plastic's right here. Cool. I do have a smaller wrist, so I'll be using the small to medium band. It looks a lot pinker than at least mine did, but that's also because mine was not the cleanest. So here we have the watch. We're just going to lift it up. Oh my gosh, how cute! Here it is. It comes in a cute little like dust cover. I think it's like the cutest thing ever. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is the 40 millimeter Series 5 GPS watch. It's the same color that I had before. It is like a rose gold. It looks more rose gold here than it does in the pictures. These remind me of like little iPod Nanos. Like I think like it's so interesting how like they just came up with a watch like this. But yeah, obviously it's a little bit more rounded. It's different from the back than the Series 3 was. So let's just put these bands on it. And now it's turning on because I did click the button on it. I'll just let that turn on. Obviously, to make this an official unboxing, I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox everything else. We have the little designed in Apple in California here with the little instructions. Cute. And we also have the 5-watt charger right here. And the Apple Watch charger right here. So I brought my phone here. I'm just going to unlock it. Okay, there it is. I'm just going to click continue. And here we go. There we go. Your Apple Watch is paired. Great. Set up Apple Watch. Agree. Okay, finished connecting to my account. I don't regularly add a password to it. Continue, continue, continue. Choose later. So now it's syncing, so we will now wait for that to sync. As far as the watch itself, kind of just pulled up its basics, which are the display, the digital crown, and the side button. So now it's just saying that my Apple ID is now being used for it. Now it just says welcome to Apple Watch, and I'll click OK. And there we go. Now it's all set up. This is obviously on my new watch. The Apple Watch is right here. And on my watch it just says your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. So we're going to go ahead and just do that. And it kind of vibrated, did a little cute thing. Wow, look at that. I am so happy about this. Like I said, I'm very, very grateful that my boyfriend was able to get this for me. I think he knew how much like that watch meant to me, especially because it was my first Apple purchase with my own money, and I've been wearing a watch since I was in 2nd grade, so it's almost a necessity for me. He's the best, and I absolutely love him for so many more reasons. That was it for my first unboxing here on YouTube, and if you did enjoy it, please leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I know I do have a little bit of a different setup back here. I did reorganize and redo my room a little bit. If you guys want to see a room tour, let me know, or leave a comment or a like or something. And maybe in the near future I can do a quick little room tour, since I did redecorate a little bit and get some new things and repaint my room, so yeah. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!